What is up, guys? Fat Boy R6 here. Just coming out to let you guys know that I should have had a video out yesterday, but man, whoo-wee. Them temperatures, as you know, maybe some of you don't know because you don't not affected by it, but them temperatures here in Kansas was chilly. You know, it's weird. Mother Nature, like how she works. It's like we're supposed to have this meetup, or we're gonna have this meetup, but the weather is kind of iffy. I know Friday's supposed to be like 34. I mean, if there's no wind, it'd be all right, but Saturday is supposed to be 46. Currently right now it's 51, and you know, as long as you got something on, sweatshirt, maybe double layer, man, I think our ride might be all right. You know, I was trying to get it pushed to next week, but you know, reservations and stuff like that, or they just want to do it this week. So I'm down. I don't care. I'm down. I'm down to ride. You know, my wife may not be, but I'm down to ride. I'll get it. I'll double lay up and get riding. You know, it might be a little cold, but you know, I don't care. But anyways, it's just weird how it works. You know, like next week, I mean, you can't even predict the weather. I mean, I've been watching it for the last week, and the weather has been, I mean, one day it said like for Saturday, for when our meetup is on Saturday, it said 64 degrees last week. And I was watching it during the week, and it kept dropping. It was like 55, and then it went to 45, then it went to 40s and snow. I'm like, what in the hell? How can you go to 40s and some damn snow in April? Then it jumped back up to 50s, and then this morning I woke up when I was in the 40s, which I don't mind the 40s. I can do with the high 40s with sun, you know, no water, no rain, no snow. I can do it. But I woke up this morning and it said 34. I'm like, well, we're going the wrong direction here, man. Definitely the wrong direction. But anyways, we're gonna get it though. You know, like yesterday, you know, fellow motovloggers out in the east, not the East Coast, but the east of where I'm at, man, they were getting snow, like 1.5 inches of snow, 3 hours from where I'm at. So anyways, guys, I figured I'll get this video out, do a little bit of something, talk about something, because I know I've been slacking. You know, it's just by the time I get ready, getting this meetup ready, you know, organizing things, and communicating with other people who are coming, you know, it doesn't give me enough time to get out and get videos to you guys. But like I said, probably Friday night when everybody shows up, Friday afternoon, I will go live on my Instagram, so I'll show you guys that, what we're doing, keep you you guys up to date on stuff. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know, make sure you look for that. I will also as well do one on Saturday. You know, that way you can see everybody, see what we're doing. And those of you who couldn't make it, that's okay. I know next time that I plan one of these, I'll do it later where the weather's gonna be a little bit more cooperative. I just think it's me, man. I think it's, I know it's gonna change. I know it's gonna change. There's no way it could be April and you can have nice weather during the week and come the weekend it's shitty. No way. I'm hoping the weather people are wrong. I'm hoping the weather apps are wrong. I'm hoping that thing will switch up another 20 degrees and we good. All I'm asking for is like 60-degree weather, so we can enjoy it. I mean, we're gonna enjoy it anyway because, you know, it's just us acting foolish. But I don't want to be freezing my ass off and trying to act foolish at the same time, you know what I'm saying? I guess it'll keep me warmer if I'm acting foolish and running around. Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I gotta run to the post office. I gotta get some stickers sent out. And until next time, I will keep you posted Friday. Instagram, remember, follow me on Instagram. I'll post a live feed from Instagram on Friday as well as on Saturday. And then you guys can I'll scope out, you know, it'll be a while before I get a video out. Because the video I want to put out, it's probably going to be over the weekend. Like from the Kansas meetup. So I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can. And then I'll break it into like 3 different parts. Depends on how long the videos are. I got 2 cameras now, so I got one camera that I do like 5 hours of footage. Got another camera I do like 4.5, so that's 9 hours of footage. So I'm gonna try to get as much stuff as I can recorded. Like I said, I'll break that stuff up into 2 or 3, 4 different parts. That way you guys can see what's going on here. So but until next time, Fatboy R6 is out. You guys be good, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.